Hello, I am Estefania Villaespesa. I am Head of Marketing and Communication at Creators International School, and I have been working in the field for more than 20 years with brands I work with brands globally known, and I've run very big international strategies. I have also worked in automotive, technology, and banking, financial fields. What attracts me to education, and especially to Creators International School, is the ambition beyond this school. Because the way I see education these days is the first decision in the house. So every family is taking responsibility of the journey of education of the child. We're living in a very challenging world right now. And if you choose wisely, your kids will have more options. So when I saw Creators International School and the project behind, what it's motivating the project is to give the kids the tools to face the challenges that are coming. And I was really attached to that. And I know my expertise in the communication and marketing fields will be really a good asset for this school, which is such a small project comparing to the things that I have ever worked with. But for me, it's much more fulfilling. So marketing and communication, this is the key to the society for me. How we communicate to each other, how we build networks, how we are cooperating. This is all on the basis of how we can develop our social skills. And when we're building Creators International School, I want to make sure that the communication is going to be there, not only for the kids, they're going to be supported, but also within the structure of the school, with the teachers, with the families, with parents. I want them to be understood. I want them to realize that we have a very strong core and in just supporting the kids in a holistic way, which basically means that we are definitely focusing on their academic performance, of course, but we understand that for them to be able to perform academically, they need to be happy, they need to be healthy, they need to be running free, they need to be able to feel the belonging, and they need to be able to communicate their needs efficiently. So my goals at Creators is to spread the word around the globe, because what we're building here is for everyone who has a kid with a creator profile in their house. So if your kid is asking questions that you might not know how to answer, if they are even doing so in the school and the teachers don't know what to do with them, if they start to become either troublemakers or they are isolating themselves because they feel not understood, it could be the case that they are under challenge. And we are seeking for those kids. We don't want them to be a regular average school kid. We want them to be performing at their best. We want them to flourish. We want them to be able to excel. And that's what we're doing here. So we're hunting for creators' profiles, and that's my mission. My advice for kids who are considering the Creators International School this year, and for the families, is to really look into what drives the kid. Because some parents really are searching for a school within the area. Some parents or kids even, they're looking for a beautiful location, which we have. That's all good. But what we are building here is different. We're not school for every kid. We want those who are loving math and science and technology, and they will excel just by being surrounded by other pals, basically. We want them to flourish together. We want them to feel the belonging. So if your kid is that kid, please bring it in. Hello, my name is Estefania Villaespesa. I am the Head of Marketing and Communication at Creators International School, and I welcome you all to come and visit our school and to explore if your kid could be a creator profile. Hola, soy Estefania Villaespesa y soy la directora de Marketing y Comunicación en Creators International School. Si tienes un niño que está apasionado por las matemáticas, la ciencia, la tecnología, ven a visitarnos.